So what I recommend you guys do is not only watch this video, but as you watch it, follow along. Create your own account, enter in the prompts with me, and I guarantee you that's going to be a much better way to learn. So let's get started. All right, so I have ChatGPT opened up right here. If you guys go to chat.openai.com, it's going to bring you to this page. We'll be linking this down below, so it's a little easier for you guys. But the first thing you're going to want to do is come here and click sign up.
Here is the company that basically created ChatGPT. They've created a number of different types of APIs, and if you want to have a look at them all, you can head over to the API page. We're going to be looking at the ChatGPT version. If you want to head to that, you should be able to select using ChatGPT to some of the more advanced ways to use it. If there's anything you want to know, this video should cover it all. Let's begin. I'm going to start on Google here, and I'm going to browse to find OpenAI. You can also head over to openai.com if you want to skip this step. Here is the company that basically created ChatGPT. Go through the prompts to create an account this way. This will require the email address as well as a password and a two-step verification process, which we'll do. The first thing that'll happen is an email will be sent to the mailbox that you're signed up with. In this case, it'll be sent to my Gmail.
अगर आपने इस वीडियो में क्लिक किया है, इसका मतलब आप एआई के बारे में सीखना तो जरूर चाहते हैं। हर एक टेक्नोलॉजी का एक पीक टाइम होता है। पहले हम वेबसाइट्स बिल्ड करते थे, उसके बाद धीरे धीरे हम ऐप डेवलपमेंट की ओर आगे बढ़े और आज के टाइम पे हम एआई जैसी रिवॉल्यूशनरी टेक्नोलॉजी को बिल्ड कर रहे हैं। इसलिए एआई के सेक्टर में जाने के लिए जरूरी है हमें 3 चीजों के बारे में अच्छे से इंफॉर्मेशन होना। फर्स्ट इज अबाउट द एआई टूल्स, सेकंड इज जनरेटिव एआई एंड थर्ड इज अबाउट द एआई एजेंट्स। इसलिए इस वीडियो
What if I told you ChatGPT is like a toolbox filled with power tools, and yet you're still using this tiny little screwdriver to fix everything? Because the truth is, most people are only using 10% of ChatGPT's potential, if that. As someone who spends every freaking day building AI products in my company, Martell Ventures, I'm going to show you 24 hidden ChatGPT features that will save you hours, automate the most annoying repetitive tasks, and help you make smarter decisions faster. And at the end, in life, but you can actually tweak this in the settings. You go in the same place under personalization, memory, and there's actually a section where you can click through and see what it's already recorded of you and delete stuff if it's not accurate. In the personalization, there's a memory section, and next to it, there's a button that says manage. Click that and you'll see everything it knows about you. Don't be scared. You can choose to tell GPT not to share that with anybody else, but it makes it a lot easier. So for example, it sees in there that I was training for a sub 4-hour marathon with a current half marathon PR of 1:50.
AI is becoming more powerful and more deeply woven into everything we do. Some people try to ignore it, but it's not going away. If you're watching this, you already knew that. You're not asking if you should learn AI, you're asking how. Whether you want to work smarter, spark new ideas, automate parts of your business, or just buy back your time, this video will give you the full roadmap. You'll learn the key concepts, the right tools, and a clear step-by-step action plan. It's simpler than you think, and by the end, you'll be ahead roadmap. You'll learn the key concepts, the right tools, and a clear step-by-step action plan. It's simpler than you think, and by the end, you'll be ahead of 99% of people trying to figure this out. But I also know the AI landscape can feel overwhelming, so before we dive in, let's break down the biggest barriers that keep most people stuck. I'm not technical. That's totally fine. Most modern AI tools are built for non-technical users. If you're even a little tech curious and I'm not technical. That's totally fine. Most modern AI tools are built for non-technical users. If you're even a little tech curious and willing to learn and experiment, which you probably are if you clicked this video, that's all you need. And just to be clear, there will be zero coding involved. roadmap. You'll learn the key concepts, the right tools, and a clear step-by-step action plan. It's simpler than you think, and by the end, you'll be ahead of 99% of people trying to figure this out. But I also know the AI landscape can feel overwhelming, so before we dive in, let's break down the biggest barriers that keep most people stuck. I'm not technical. That's totally fine. Most modern